Hey everyone, I'm Denise Dunleavy, and I'm excited to share my Introduction to Channeling course. I didn't always know I was psychic, but now I'm a professional animal communicator and intuitive, and I know that everyone can use their intuition to tune into the universe and channel messages. In this course, we will go through exercises together to prepare for readings, and then I will walk you through the steps of how to do one. Sometimes you really just need to know where to start. You will get the chance to practice, and I am very confident that you will start getting messages. My specialty is animal communication, so you will get to hear lots of examples of the things pets have told me, but the steps and the actual how-to part are the same to channel spirits, people, spirit guides, and angels. We will also do an exercise where you will get to experience a past life. Sometimes in my animal communication readings, a loved one from the other side will come through or a spirit guide shows up. Because once you are open to accept messages, you have access to anything in the universe and anything is possible. I'm so excited and honored to guide you on this journey. Sending love and light to all of you.